the Economic Times iconic brands and the most trusted and valued brands for decades.
Tile has been treated as a product where somebody in Italy makes a machine, somebody develops a design, and they all come as smart salespeople to you to sell their products. We don't want to do that. As part of the ecosystem, our basic theme is we want to give back to society, we want to give back to nature. Nature is now of late reacting very violently to whatever we have been doing to disturb the environment through irresponsible buildings, locations, etc. and so on. So it's very important that whatever we do for sustainability, it should not be only about aesthetics, it should be about functionality, it should be in harmony.
Let's shine a spotlight on this galaxy of eminent indigenous brands that are going to be recognized for their sustained brilliance. They're a part of great many Indian homes, and they're our next iconic brand. HR Johnson India, a division of Prison Johnson.
I personally thank ET for choosing Prison Johnson and H&R Johnson for this prestigious award. Johnson iconic brand is standing on the consumer values of consumer recognizing this brand as a lifestyle brand.
Well, I'm now in conversation with Mr. Dinesh Vyas, who spent 2 decades with Johnson in terms of retail, marketing and product development in tile, bath and kitchen segment that H&R Johnson operates in. Mr. Vyas, thank you so much for talking to me today. First up, what according to you does the brand Johnson stand for?
Yeah, brand Johnson basically stands for the dynamism, adapting to the changes in the trend and the consumer expectations and innovations. So let it be anti-skid concept of tiling for bathroom, or let it be germ-free tiles or stain-free tiles or cool roof, high SRI tiles. At all definite intervals for the home segment as well as the commercial segment, we have been introducing products which are very innovative. See, there are 3 things as far as the tiles are concerned: durability, functionality and aesthetics. So while most of the people or most of the selection is going on only on the basis of visual appeal, we understand and we take it as an accountability of a leading manufacturing company to address the durability as well as functionality.
Tiles in particular are essential building material. They are quite a common commodity now. So are they really a lifestyle product?
Yeah, that's a very interesting question. And because the moment we say lifestyle products, then definitely a commodity like tile will not come into your mind. But see, the way I mean to say lifestyle today you see or we see, lifestyle has got a lot of elements. It has been evolving over a period of time. Today we see 5 elements as an essential elements of lifestyle: health and hygiene, safety, concern for environment, freedom to choose from wide range of options, and making informed decisions. And we think, and why we say this is our positioning, if we can create the products which are aligned to these 5 essential elements of lifestyle, then definitely lifestyle thing gets satisfied. So let's talk about health and hygiene. We have got stain-free tiles and we have got germ-free tiles, antimicrobial germ-free tiles, which take care of health and hygiene. Similarly, for safety, we talked about anti-skid tile. And also for safety, we are going to launch, in fact, anti-radiation tiles. This is about the safety. Similarly, coming to the environment, we have developed high solar reflective index tiles, which does not allow the rooms below the roof to get too much heated. Talking about the freedom, we have got more than 3,000 products. And about the informed decisions, we have opened a series of House of Johnson experience centers. Plus, we will be engaging people digitally and in different way to educate them, because a single tile may not perform equally good in all application, in all situations, but that knowledge is not there. So the 5 elements of lifestyle, since we are creating the products which are aligned to these 5 elements, we call us, and you would agree, a lifestyle company.
Being a brand with a legacy, where do you see Johnson heading in the years to come?
See, brand Johnson has been in this world for approximately 120 years. In India, it's in operation for more than 62 years. And I think many more decades. I don't see any reason. Any company has to remain relevant to the consumer. I don't think that why should we remain only a tile manufacturer? Why not to become a tiling company? Similarly, why to remain just as a bathroom manufacturer company? Why not to become a bathroom creation company? So I see that future of Johnson lies to add the service part to the product and till the time we remain honest, and that applies to every company, we remain honest to the promise that brand makes, I don't think there is any risk to the company.
Well, thank you, Mr. Vyas, for talking to us, and we wish you all the very best for the way ahead. Thank you. Today, sustainable architecture is taking center stage in real estate projects, which highlights the importance of customization and eco-friendly products.
Durability, functionality are the very basic and important factor during selection of our tiles. Then comes the aesthetics of the tiles. Aesthetics means the texture of the tiles, is the feel of the tiles and the sizes of the tiles. They form a very important aspect during the selection of our tiles.
Sometimes it so happens that you find a tile which is so iconic or so unique that you really think that it would really add charm to your space and transform the design of the house. So you try to change the design maybe and accommodate the tile.
Customization is extremely important, especially in design, especially when you're working on unique projects, because you don't want to go and pick up a tile off the shelf. You don't want something that has already been used by somebody else before. So the idea that I could have that in such a massive scale was very exciting.
We need to start looking at a larger picture. We need to bring in the social responsibility, the environmental responsibility, and being able to create a world that I would say is beautiful.
H&R Johnson, through its R&D mechanism, continues to build on its decades-old legacy by manufacturing the latest, trendy, technically superior and aesthetically appealing best-in-class products to enhance consumers' emerging lifestyles.